AI hit 53% adoption in 3 years. Faster than the internet, faster than the personal computer. The Stanford AI Index dropped that number 2 weeks ago and the room went quiet. Here's the part that should keep you up at night. The window to be a first mover is closing in months, not years. So I asked myself a question: if I was starting over today, no audience, no email list, no funnel, nothing, what would I do in my first 90 days? I've been thinking about this for weeks. I built First Movers. I run 2 YouTube channels. I've integrated AI into 80+ businesses, and the answer surprised me. The first 4 moves are what you'd expect. Solid, foundational. Move number 5 is the one almost nobody is doing, and it's the one that compounds the fastest. Stay until then. You don't want to miss it. Hi, I'm Julia. I read every comment. Here's the playbook. Quick context on why I'm even making this video. Every week, I get DMs from founders who are paralyzed. They know AI is the moment. They don't know where to start, so they don't start. And every month they don't start, somebody else does. Somebody with a smaller audience, a weaker offer, less experience, and that person is going to be 18 months ahead of you by the time you finally pull the trigger. So this video is for the founder who's been thinking about it for 6 months and hasn't moved. 5 moves, 90 days, skip nothing, let's go. Move 1. Pick a niche where your face is the moat. This is the one almost everybody skips because the advice everywhere is build a brand, become a thought leader, get attention. That's not what I'm saying. In a world where AI can generate 1,000 articles, 1,000 videos, 1,000 podcast clips per second, attention is cheap. Trust is the only thing that's expensive. And trust comes from one thing: your face, your voice. Your story, your scars. AI can fake a tone. It can mimic a writing style. It cannot replicate the fact that you specifically have done the thing you're teaching. So move 1 is this. Pick a niche where the answer to why should I trust you is because look at what I've done. Not because I read 50 books on it. Not because I have a certification. Because you have scars. If you don't have scars in the niche you're picking, pick a different niche. Move 2. Build one offer. 1. That solves a $10,000 problem. Notice what I didn't say. I didn't say build a course. I didn't say build a community. I didn't say build 5 tiers. 1 offer, done for you or done with you. Minimum $10,000. Why $10,000? Because at that price, you're solving a real problem, not a content problem. Not a, I want to learn this problem. This is costing my business money every week. It stays broken problem. And here's what most people miss. AI doesn't change this. AI lets you deliver this offer at higher leverage. It doesn't replace the offer. You still need the thing that solves the painful problem. AI just lets you solve it for more clients without dying in the process. Pick the painful problem. Build the offer. Charge the real number. Then move to step 3. Move 3. Pick one platform. Own it for 12 months. YouTube long form is still the highest leverage owned platform on earth in 2026. And I have data on this you're going to want to hear. At First Movers, we tracked every single sales call we closed in the last 90 days. Where did the buyer come from? How much content had they watched? Here's the number. 100% of our closed deals came from people who had consumed 2 or more hours of long-form content before the call. 100%. Not LinkedIn, not TikTok, not Instagram Reels, long-form video, where someone gets to actually know you. So pick one platform. Make it YouTube, unless you have a really good reason. Post 2 to 3 times a week, minimum, for 12 months. Don't touch the other platforms. Don't get distracted by threads. Don't chase whatever's trending on TikTok this week. Own one platform until you have signal. Then expand. Most creators die because they spread thin across 5 platforms before any of them work. Don't be most creators. Move 4. And this is the one that separates the people who make it from the people who burn out. Build the system before you build the audience. Most creators do it backwards. They post for 8 months. They build to 10,000 subscribers. They start getting DMs. And then they realize they have no way to handle any of it. No CRM, no email sequence, no sales call workflow, no content pipeline, no way to follow up on the leads they're already getting. They become the bottleneck of their own success. Don't do that. Before you post your 10th video, build the back end. You need an AI clone that can hold conversations on your behalf. You need a CRM that captures every lead. You need an email sequence that nurtures someone from curious to ready. You need a content pipeline so you're not writing every script from scratch. And here's the part that will save you 100 hours a month. All of this can be built in 30 days using tools like NAN, Go High Level, and HeyGen. None of it requires a developer. Build the system first, then pour the content on top. The system is the moat. The content is the fuel. People who confuse the two end up tired with no business. Move 5. The one almost nobody is doing, and the one that compounds the fastest. Create an AI clone of yourself and use it to run the show. Now I want to be careful here, because this is where most people get the strategy wrong. The clone is not a replacement for you. The clone is a multiplier of you. Here's what that looks like in practice. You record one piece of source material a week, 30 minutes. Could be a conversation, could be a teaching, could be just you talking to a camera. Your clone, built in HeyGen with your voice cloned in 11 labs, takes that source and produces 5 to 10 derivative videos. Long form, shorts, reels, newsletter content, LinkedIn posts, all in your face, all in your voice, all from 30 minutes of your time. That's the leverage move. And here's the proof. You're watching it right now. Both of my YouTube channels run on this stack. The main First Movers channel and Quantum Healing Mysteries on the spiritual side. 2 channels, 1 human. Almost 1 million views a month between them. And here's the part that should make every founder watching this lean forward. The people doing this in 2026 are going to look like geniuses by 2027. The people who wait until 2027 to start are going to look like the people who waited until 2010 to get on YouTube. They're not late, they're done. Here's the compression. The 5 moves are this. Pick a niche where your face is the moat. Build one $10,000 offer. Own one platform for 12 months. Build the system before the audience. Use an AI clone of yourself to scale. Do those 5 things. And you'll be 18 months ahead of every founder still arguing about which AI tool to subscribe to. If you have a proven offer doing real revenue and you want my team to build this stack for you, the strategy call link is firstmovers.ai/consulting. We've done this for 80 plus founders. We'll tell you on the call whether it makes sense for your business. If you want to learn it yourself, every workflow, every prompt, every template lives inside AI Labs at $250 a month. Link is labs.firstmovers.ai. The community is full of people doing exactly what we just talked about. See you down the next rabbit hole. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI Labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs.